In this video, I'm going to break down the homepage of Mela Creative, a design agency in Sydney. The copywriting on this website is by Taylist and the design is by Mela itself. I'm Stephen Lewis and I'm the Director of Copywriting at Taylist. I wrote this site myself, so I know all about who it's for and how we put it together. And that's the important thing with copywriting. It's about research, meeting persuasion. So it's very important you know who you're writing for. And in this case, the point that I want to make is look at how above the fold of this website, we are immediately calling out who we're writing for so that our ideal client knows immediately that they're in the right place. Branding and packaging design for products. Those are the first words on the site. So you're not allowed a moment's doubt if you are the product manager of a company and you're looking for someone to design your packaging, you're in the right place. That box is ticked instantly. For products that move, now that gives you a sense of our value proposition, that we are good at this and we know what you need. So again, there's more confidence in the reader. We know you don't just need packaging that looks good. We know you need packaging that achieves something, and that is products moving off the shelf. There's more confidence here when marketers and product managers need to impress retailers, energize sales reps, and motivate consumers. Again, when you understand the audience for this site, you know that these are the things that they're looking for. So by calling those things out explicitly, you're indicating your expertise. We are experts in what you do. We understand what you need. From the supermarket freezer to the hardware aisle, again, a nod to their ideal clients who do food and hardware, and that they want to be in supermarkets and big box hardware stores. So all of that is above the fold, along with a genuine image of the actual team involved in design work. So in those first few seconds that you have to grab the reader, Mela Creative has said, this is what we do and we're really good at it. You're in the right place. There is an encouragement to read on. So when you go on and read on, again, we're name checking marketers and product managers. Those are the ideal clients. It might well be a business owner who's coming to you, but generally, Mela's ideal client is an established business and it has a marketer or it has a product manager, or more often than not, it has both. It's not going to be the business owner who's getting in touch with you. So we know what they need and we're working to differentiate ourselves. And in Mela's case, what they need to differentiate themselves against, even with some of their more sophisticated potential clients, is why can't I just go to Fiverr or Upwork and get somebody to design my packaging? So a lot of this is about indicating we've been doing it for a long time and we know what goes into it. And yep, you're probably going to pay more than you are going to pay more than you're going to pay on Fiverr or Upwork. But what's really going to cost you is when your packaging design doesn't move your product. So we've got some great pictures, we've got some examples, and we've got examples that look like our ideal clients. Our ideal clients are in hardware, and our ideal clients are in food. So those examples are up there. Then there's, so you've got proof building. These are known brands. So they're not accidentally chosen. They are well-known, serious clients. And by using those as examples, we're building our credentials as a company that has serious clients who move serious amounts of product. And in case we hadn't made that point already, we've reiterated that point. In your copywriting, you want to make an assertion, we work for great companies, and then you want to prove it. So whatever it is that you assert, you then want to prove. So you can see here on this About Mela Creative panel of the homepage, we're emphasizing this point of difference that we've dedicated ourselves to packaging, and we're pointing out that packaging is the most challenging type of design. Now, I'm not a designer, so I don't have a horse in this argument, but representing the client, I know that their argument is, and it made a lot of sense to me, that there are a lot of ways you can design a business card and it's hard to fail designing a business card or potentially designing a brochure. And quite often some of the things that you design might exist in a total campaign. But ultimately, when your product is on the shelf in a supermarket, it's sitting there next to your competition, and the only way that it can speak for itself is through the design of the packaging. So there's an awful lot that you need to do, and therefore it stands to reason that that is the pinnacle of design, because you don't even have a 30-second television commercial, and 30 seconds isn't very long. You've got a couple of square centimeters of space on that packaging to make your point. So we hammer this home throughout the website. So our designers have dedicated themselves to this field, they specialize in it, and they only have that space available. So you're planting that seed in your ideal client's mind, or you're reminding them, if they already know this, that that real estate on the package is small, and therefore it's worth a reasonable investment in getting somebody who knows what they're doing to do it. And then I like to have a call to action on the homepage, because it is entirely possible that your ideal client has been referred to you. And if they've been referred to you, they've got your website details, they just want to have a look, see if they get a sense that you're the right person, and get in touch. So why make them, if you've already built that confidence, why make them click away to your Contact Us page? And I love the way that Mela has put this together. One, that is a friendly and approachable photograph of the business owners. They look like two people who would like to have a conversation with you, not that you're going to phone and it's going to be some sort of faceless sales process. It's a nice greeting. We'd like to meet you. That's in line with their brand ethos. They are people. They like talking, they like meeting people, and they like brainstorming with their clients. So do you have a product you're excited about? We'd love to hear about it and talk about how we would approach it. It's conversational, it's friendly, and it's entirely in line with what they do. So if we break down the homepage, or just recap on the homepage, complete confidence above the fold for the right people, that they're in the right place. And of course, the converse of that is, if you're not the right person, you might well see that you're not the right person and move away, which is, better for everybody concerned. We say a little bit more about what we do and why we're the right people for you, and give you a call to action. But we haven't given you a call to action before we've built a little bit of value in finding out more about us. This doesn't just say we're branding and packaging designers, read more. Well, there's more to read here. Then we've proven that we can do what we want. And if you're the sort you want, and if you're the sort of person who wants to see samples before you see anything else, they're right there. And in this case, you don't even need to click through. You've got a fantastic hero image of the work these guys have done, and you've got a little bit of a description about the product. So you can go and read more, or you can get the confidence that you need potentially from this page. And if you have got that confidence from the proof, this is all proof. We've made an argument that we do this well. We've shown you some great looking examples and some big companies we've done it for. Then we've shown you some more big companies that we've done it for. We've told you a little bit about ourselves, and we've given you a call to action. It seems like a simple page, but there's a lot going on there to build that confidence in that relationship, and hopefully get somebody to contact you at this page without even really needing to read anything else. I hope you found the video helpful. If you're watching the video on YouTube, please subscribe, click the bell to get a notification when we put up another video. There will be more breakdowns coming.